to predict the future is always a challenge and probably does not work if you don't know where you're coming from. That's why we proposed this industrial, changes coming from steam and water, going over electricity, integrated IT towards the future that is maybe called cognitive, and with the artificial intelligence advisory systems, combined things that we will see there. So what we think is that while using what you have in terms of production and knowledge, optimization is required, and that means you need to get access to all the data that is available, always was available, but never in a centralized way, for analytic purposes, for machine learning, in order to predict outcomes, business outcomes of course, but maybe failure states as well, and to support people in this production process. That is, I think, one of the biggest challenges at the moment.